How to add your own fonts and use them inside Canva. From the home page is go along to the brand icon. You can't add fonts directly within a design, you have to add them within your brand folder. I'm going to use the one, I've got quite a few brands in here, and I'm going to use my own one, Design on Your Pocket. I'm going to go into fonts. And here you can see there's a plus button at the right hand side. I'm going to click add to category, and in here the drop down menu is upload font. These are fonts I've already uploaded to the library. I want to add a new one, so I'm going to click add new. And in here it's going to take you to your own folders on your desktop or in your computer. And I'm going to click this one, click open. And what it's going to do is it's going to double check that I have the right to use this font and I have bought the license for it. So I'm going to click yes. And you can see that it's now uploaded that font. I can then give it a role within my font categories. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change quote to this new font, and it just scrolls down the list alphabetically and you can see this font here. I'm going to select it and it's now changed this quote font here to that new font. Just need to click tick and that's it saved. Now if I go into a design, I'm going to select the font and I'm going to select my brand kit, and now you can see the brand fonts I have in a Design in Your Pocket, and I'm going to select it here and it's now changed it to that new font. Any other tips you need to learn in the Canva, make sure to check out my other videos.